Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2016 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Coupe with the remainder of its factory warranty. This authentic rear-wheel drive muscle car with its HEMI 6.2-litre Supercharged V8 and Tremec 6-speed manual transmission delivering an impressive 707 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque is not for the faint of heart. If you want a jaw-dropping magnet that provides mind-blowing performance, a thunderous exhaust note, tons of street appeal, and dare I say it, practicality too, plus packed full of comfort, convenience, entertainment, and high-tech safety features, then congratulations, you just found your next supercar right here at Luxury Motorsports. The cabin of this outstanding Hellcat is surprisingly stylish, with high-quality materials and ultimately driver-centric. The chunky baseball-like manual shifter looks cool too. This one features Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, sunroof, an 8.4-inch multifunction Uconnect touchscreen, Super Track Pack performance items, upgraded two-tone leather seats with Shaker logos, and the 18-speaker Harman Kardon sound system with 18 speakers and 2 subwoofers. The exterior features a Shaker hood, upgraded Brembo brakes, forged alloy wheels, high-performance adaptive suspension and tuning. To see the full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to come and put this supercharged Hellcat through its paces today. Select your drive mode and be prepared for the ride of your life. This high-performance Challenger will deliver a crisp, responsive and downright exhilarating drive. This modern classic is versatile enough for tire burnouts or simply taking the kids to school. But with this degree of insanity under the hood, be ready for frequent visits to the gas station and tire supplier. You simply will not be able to resist those pinned to the back of your seat takeoffs. Don't say we didn't warn you. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.